Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the traffic lines feature in SkyCiv Structural 3D. Traffic lines allow you to simulate moving vehicles across a structure, automatically generating the worst case positions and effects. This is perfect for bridges, gantries, and any structure influenced by moving loads. With traffic lines, you simply define a path along your model and assign a vehicle load. SkyCiv will then sweep that load along the path and calculate the critical shear, moment, or displacement values caused by all possible load positions. I have here a simple bridge design, 5 meters wide and 30 meters long, fixed by 6 pin supports. To set up my traffic lines, I'm going to click Traffic Lines down here. First, I'm going to define it with points. If the traffic line is a straight line, it's sufficient to define 2 points, the start and the end. To define by points, specify the node ID in this format, 1, 3, which is the node where I want to start and the node I want to end. I can preview to check I'm putting it in the right place. To obtain the values of the factors being studied, a series of static analysis must be performed. The program needs to know where to place the unit force in each static loading. To do this, I'm going to define a set of members. I can use autofill and then edit it accordingly. You can also define traffic lines with coordinates. I want a traffic line in the middle of my bridge, so I can put in the coordinates 0025 and 30025. Finally, I can also define traffic lines with a chain of members. This will be particularly useful for when your intended path is curved or follows the curvature of a structural member. I'm going to set my reference node as 2 and input the members I want it to follow. So that's 2, 27, all the way until 50. Now I'll run an analysis. You can analyze the results as influence lines. Clicking on this dropdown will display more details and the influence line graph. The Export button allows you to save the influence line data to your computer as an Excel file. You can edit your view of the results on the right-hand side menu here. If you have any questions, send us a message on the platform. Our team is always here to help.